Part 7 The Indus Valley from World Watch Social Studies for Primary Schools Book 3. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Indus Civilization or Harappan Civilization, was an ancient urban civilization that thrived in the northwestern regions of the Indian subcontinent from approximately 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE. It is one of the world's oldest known urban civilizations, and its history and significance have been revealed through archaeological excavations at various sites. The cities of the Indus Valley Civilization, such as Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa, featured remarkable urban planning. They had well laid out grid systems of streets, advanced drainage systems, and impressive architecture, including multi-story buildings made of baked bricks. The civilization is known for its script, which has been found on various artifacts. However, the script remains undeciphered, and our understanding of the written language is limited. Archaeological excavations at Mohenjo-Daro and other Indus sites have yielded valuable insights into the lives of the people who lived during that time. Artifacts, pottery, tools, and structures provide important clues about their culture, society, and way of life. The reasons for the decline of the Indus civilization are not fully understood, but theories include environmental factors like changes in the river systems, ecological degradation, and possibly invasions by outside groups. Archaeological excavations at Mohenjo-Daro and other Indus sites have yielded valuable insights into the lives of the people who lived during that time. Artifacts, pottery, tools, and structures provide important clues about their culture, society, and way of life. Copy and finish the sentences in your notebook. 1. The Indus Valley is good for growing crops because the river Indus floods and leaves mud on the land. 2. The flat land is good for growing crops. 3. People settled in the village of Murgar, more than 7,000 years ago. 4. They built houses from mud brick. 5. They made jewelry from beads, shells and stones. Imagine you lived in Mohenjo-Daro or Harappa in ancient times. Write a leaflet about the city that would make someone want to come and live there. You could begin like this. My city, Harappa, is on a high ridge. This makes it safe from floods. The city is very clean because the streets have drainage systems. The buildings are made from mud brick. Most of our houses have wells and drains. Think about it. Write the answer in your notebook. Why do you think no full-size carts were found in Harappa or Mohenjo-Daro? Write yes, no, or maybe for each answer. Then choose the best one. Say why you think it is the best answer. 1. The people did not make full-size carts. Yes. 2. Carts would have been made of wood. Wood would have rotted away by now. Maybe. 3. There might be some carts that the archaeologists have not found. No. 4. The cities faced the danger of flooding. Yes. Write the answers in your notebook. Describe the man in the priest king statue. You could start like this. On his face is a short beard. His eyes are long. His lips are broad. His hair is short. On his head he is wearing a crown. On his arm is bracelet. His clothes are embroidered. Do you think he might have been a king? Or a priest? Or what? Write your idea. Priest king. I think the man in the statue was a priest king because he was wearing a crown. Copy the chart into your notebook. Write the answer in the chart. What we know about the Indus Valley people. How we know they made jewelry and how we know. We come to know from archaeologists found bead workshop in the city. They knew how to make wheels and how to use them. We come to know from the toy cart. They could write and how we know. We come to know from seals in Mohenjo-Daro.
Thanks for watching and listening. If you like my videos, please like and share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.